Pretty much your standard two-car garage. A little bit of shelving that they've built in here for storage, water softener, water heater, closet. And now we'll walk back into the home and towards the pool in the backyard. So just your regular cabinets there, not solid wood or anything. Regular laminate countertops. Just white appliance, may or may not be original. Good layout overall, it just needs some updating to it. And corner pantry here. Yeah, okay storage. Now let's head outside to why we came here in the first place, this pool. That listing agent did send over the list of repairs. So we come out to a covered patio with a fan here, decent sitting area. Nice little hammock they have set up there. And then the pool there. Another seating area with some lattice work for privacy. And then the other portion of the backyard and storage shed. They've done a good job of putting some screening here, flowers, and then looking back at the rest of the house there. All right.